Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be going over how to make baked eggs in portabella mushroom caps. And this is a very quick and easy meal that's great for breakfast, lunch, or brunch. And it also is okay with paleo, keto, whole 30, and vegetarian diets. To get started, we'll need just a few ingredients. We'll need portabella mushrooms, 3 eggs, coconut oil or another type of fat like ghee, butter, olive oil, or avocado oil. We'll need some garlic powder, some Himalayan pink salt, some black pepper, and some chives or another type of green herb would work as well. The first step is to preheat the oven to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The next step is to get about 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I'm going to put that in a small glass microwavable dish. Now I'm going to place the coconut oil in the microwave and heat it for about 30 seconds. Now I'm going to cut the stems off the mushrooms, and with a spoon I'm going to gently scrape away at the gills of the mushrooms to make more space for the eggs. Now that I've removed the stems and the gills from the mushrooms, I'm going to put them under the sink and give them a quick rinse. Now that the mushrooms have been rinsed off, I'm going to brush and cover the front and back of the mushrooms with coconut oil. The next step is to move the mushrooms over to the baking pan. Now I'm going to sprinkle some garlic powder and Himalayan pink salt on the mushrooms. The next step is to add 1 egg to each mushroom cap. Now the eggs are ready to bake, so I'm going to throw them in the oven and leave them in there for the next 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now, so I'm going to take the baked eggs and the portabella mushrooms out of the oven. And finally, I'm going to top off the mushrooms with the baked eggs with some black pepper and chives. Now we're finished with the baked eggs and portabella mushroom caps, and they are ready to eat.